how to like, comment and subscribe on YouTube videos and channels. On almost all YouTube videos you watch, the content creators ask you to like their videos, comment on them and also subscribe to their channels. This is a good way to show your appreciation to the content creator. It helps them come up with new content based on your feedback and also means you get notified of when they upload new content. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to open up the YouTube app. Then, start watching a YouTube video that you are interested in watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, then hit the thumbs up button below the video. This is liking the video. If you would like to make a comment about the video, then hit these two up and down arrows next to where it says comments. Tap on the middle where it says add a public comment and write your comment. Once you're happy with your comment, hit this blue paper airplane arrow on the right hand side of the screen. Next, if you would like to subscribe to this channel, on the right hand side you'll see it says subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It will ask you to turn on notifications. You can either say no thanks, or if you would like to receive notifications when this channel uploads new content, then hit turn on. In your settings, you can choose which notifications you would like to see. And that's all it takes to like, comment and subscribe to YouTube videos and channels. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.